Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data and confirming the environment. Export or sync the personal dictionary now, because once you clear caches, you can lose entries. Check Android version and the keyboard app name to target fixes accurately, and make sure storage is above 200 MB so installs succeed. Once done, enable developer options and USB debugging if you plan to use ADB for deeper fixes. This lets you inspect logs and reset databases safely without guessing. You now run targeted repairs. Clear the keyboard app cache, and if problems persist, clear app storage to reset the dictionary. Note this deletes local entries, so rely on your backup. If clearing fails, update or reinstall the keyboard. Safe mode helps determine if other apps interfere. For persistent errors, use ADB to pull the keyboard database and run logcat to capture crashes. This shows why entries disappear or autocorrect misfires, so you can address corrupt records or permission denials precisely. You finish by restoring your dictionary from the backup you made, or re-adding key entries and training the keyboard through normal use so predictions improve. Make sure the keyboard app has required permissions for storage and input. Once granted, test extensively. If issues persist, check for conflicting input apps or battery optimizers that kill the keyboard. Disable them. As a final troubleshooting tip, if nothing else works, a factory reset solves persistent corruption. But first verify backups so you don't lose data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.